We'll help you on how to add a relative vigor index trading indicator in MetaTrader mobile.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Make sure you're on chart in MetaTrader. Go to the middle hand screen and click F. Click the plus icon. Underneath here under the indicators, you want to scroll down until you see the option relative vigor index. You can leave the settings if you want, or you can change the period. In this case, we're going to change it. Double tap and we're typing in 20. You can even add a level if you would like, or you can even make sure underneath time frames, everything's selected blue and highlighted. And then underneath the style, you can change the different colors if you would like. And once you're happy, you're satisfied, click done. You have now successfully added the relative vigor index free trading indicator in MetaTrader mobile completely for free.